No time for Bible study? No problem. Can't fit another thing into that hectic, busy schedule of yours? I get it, man. I get it. But you want biblical knowledge. You want to know more about that source document of your faith. I have the answer, my friend. Online Bible study. But not just any online Bible study. You have to pick one that's exciting and fun, like this one. We have tons of exciting stuff going on. We have the Bible presented in audio format by your favorite Hollywood actors. We have maps and PowerPoint, and most importantly, we have me. And as you can see, I am not the traditional stuffed shirt of a Bible. I'm colorful, fun, and exciting, and I have tons of knowledge to share with you. So, check it out. Click on one of the links below. See you online.